Hey, happy 4th of July, you guys. Just in the shop goofing around a little bit this morning. Just wanted to say happy 4th, happy 250th. Celebrate, have fun, be safe. Wake up with the same amount of fingers you go to sleep with. Definitely don't wake up with any extra ones. We're going to do a little unboxing today. I've already cracked the top of the box. Nothing big. Nothing that's going to require nothing big, nothing that's going to require a lot of assembly. I'm going to do for this camera a little bit. Hi. Is that going to be all right? Yeah. Poppers. I just want to try this thing out. It's real simple. Not a whole lot to it, so it's not going to be a big install or anything. It is literally one of those guys, just a chute blocker. Back in the day, I used to make these things, put them on my mower with license plates. So we have a couple little screw clamps. Should hold it onto the mower. Looks like some shims, magnetic shims, and some other different screw bolts. Oh, they're not magnetic. They have stickies on them. All right, let's go over to the mower. All right, so this is the Husky 48. I think this is going to be pretty simple. I'm just going to unscrew these, slide it right over. Well, I'm not going to tighten it down, but it maybe fits a little too tight, because I can see a little, a little bit of gap right there. You see how it's angled out? I may need to play with this. I could probably bend these tabs and give it a little bit of dip in, but that's all we were looking for, was just a chute blocker. Summertime grass, so we can cut a little. We can do mulching right now. A lot of water restrictions, a lot of drought in our area, so that allows us. We'll be able to just do more of that. And I wanted something quick. I didn't want to spend a bunch of money on it. I think this thing is like $50 or $60 or something. It's not much on Ballard's website. And I just wanted something so the guys can throw it on there. But if they got to a property that they wanted to bag, then they can take it off real quick. Now, I don't think we're going to be able to use it on the Gravely, though. No. Not sure if they make one for the Gravely. I mean, well, you can make it work. There's one tab that it does attach to, so you could tie that. I mean, not tie it, but screw that down, and it would be fine. It's probably going to rattle to all heck, because there's not a metal tab that this one can reach. This is the closest tab. So I might do some fabbing up on that. But the crew that uses the Gravely 36 for the second half of their week, they use the 48 on Monday, or sometimes the Navigator. But right now there's not a lot of bagging, so they go out with that. And then the rest of the week they use the 36 because it's smaller lawns. Monday is just a big lawn day. Yeah, so I just wanted something maybe to alleviate some of the bagging and not really throw clippings. The lawns are pretty small, so throwing clippings doesn't always work because of flower beds and walkways and roads and people coming by. And I don't like the open throw as much. So anyway, I just wanted a cheap solution just to see before we do anything else as far as blockers that would stay on the mowers all the time. Plus, $60 and I can move this. I can already tell it'll fit on the Skag. It would fit on the grandstand just fine, and it would fit on the X-Mark as well. There's because they have all these mowers have a lip that runs the entire length of the opening. So the Gravely is the only one that is not set that way with a lip, which I don't know. I might even be able to do some other things. Maybe I can flip this thing that holds the rubber flap. No, it's welded on that end. Never mind. I was going to say maybe I could unbolt it and flip it, but you can't do that. I don't know. I'll figure out something though. Always do. So anyway, guys, I didn't think I was going to be able to do that in 3 minutes, and so it'd be a short. So it's going to actually come up as a video, I guess. So now the time doesn't matter. I'm going to go mow my grass today. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust. There we go. I'm going to go mow my grass today, so I come to the shop really just to get the Navigator. Because I want to do some Navigator stripes on it today. This clip does not like my phone. It's going to snap out again. Anyway, so I just come by the shop. I'm grabbing the Navigator so I can go mow my lawn. And that guard came in last night, so I figured I would just do that real quick just to see. And yeah, guys, like I said, have a happy 4th of July. Celebrate, be safe, don't blow anything off of your body or anyone else's for that matter, and just have a good time. Happy 4th of July, guys. Later.